Let's be honest, if you went out and just got the brand new S26 and spent all that money, you don't want to trust gravity with it, right? You want a good case. I kind of like these MagSafe cases that I can charge with a magnet. And with the new S26, you're gonna get faster charging capabilities. I think up to 20 watts if I'm not mistaken. But I like this case right here because it has some flexibility to it. It's not too flexible, but on the edges right here, and you can tell that the support is on the back. You can just listen to that, the support is there on the back. Also on the sides, plus you're gonna have room for your S Pen, all that stuff. But the thing that I like about this case is that it's clear, but it has the mags. So I can make use of that new high charging capability. Now, the one thing that I probably will tell you right out of the gate is it just kind of snaps in like that. And then it's a little bit rigid to snap in to the case. But once you get it worked in, see, it just pops the S Pen out because it's really tight. Now, again, that could be a pro or a con. You don't want a case that's going to be too flexible, fall off. But you got the S26 mag case right here, and so now you can charge it with any MagSafe charger. I kind of like charging it with this. This is my carry-on. This is my travel case. So again, if you're looking for a case that just is MagSafe, I'd highly recommend this one. Plus, this brand right here gives you a warranty. So don't forget to activate your warranty when you get it and hook that up. So hey, who doesn't want a case that comes with a lifetime warranty as well?